Hi, so today I'm going to show you how you can generate dynamic images from your Airtable table using Orshot. So the first step would be going to Orshot and creating an account and creating a custom template. So you can go to the Studio tab here and you can click on Open Studio and create a template, or you can also like generate a template using AI. You can just type the prompt and just click on generate. But for this demo, what I will do is I will just use a simple demo template that I've created. So this is how it looks like, and all it has is a text and an icon. So in this template, what I've done is I have made this text part dynamic, and the parameter title is basically heading. So I can pass a dynamic text to this, and it should work. So I will go to API and integrations, and now what you need to do is you need to first go to the Airtable, the table that where you want to generate the image, and you need to note couple of things. One is that what is the name of the table, so this is products, and the other thing is you need to install an extension called scripting. So to get started, what you can do is you can go to the templates Airtable column or tab, which shows you how you can use this template or how you can automate this template using Airtable. So what you can do is you can go to your Airtable and create two columns. One would be attachment, and let's say I want to call it Orshot image, and this will be the column which will store the generated image. So I will create this one, and then other column is I will create one for the button, and I will call it Orshot generate. And what this button will do is basically it will trigger the image generation using Orshot, and then it will store the generated image in the previous column that we made, which is Orshot image. So here I it is a simple button, and let's say I want to label this button as generate. And in the action field, what you can do is you can go and select run script, and then once you click on it, what it will do is it will ask for your dashboard. For example, this is the dashboard one that I'm using, and in the extension I want to do scripting, so it will ask for you to install a extension which is scripting. So I will click on install, and this is the scripting extension that comes with Airtable, and so I will click on add extension, and it is added. Now I can click on create field, and you can see this button here. uh, so we are done creating these two fields. Now what we need to do is we need to update the action for this generate button, and what this action would be is basically to trigger the image generation using Orshot. So for that, all you need to do is go to click on this button, and then in the scripting, here you can expand this like so, and I will just skip this. And here you can type the script which you want to run when the button is clicked. And for that, all you need to do is you can on the Airtable tab here for the template, there is already a script that you can copy. So I will just copy this, and I will just paste this script here in here. And if you see, there is a couple of fields that you need to update. One is that on the first line you need to update the table name. So for this, my table name was products, which I had mentioned earlier. And here you also need to update the name of the column where you want the image to be stored. So I will update it to Orshot image, as we had created that column before. And now what you need to do is, another thing is that you can basically use tables data as the dynamic field. So I will remove this background color because I don't need that. But I want the heading in this template, in this case this part, to be dynamic and based on the column that is in this table. So I will just first note the field that I want, which is product title, is the name of the column, right? So I will go to edit core again, and in this value, record that get cell value, I will just type the name of the column, which is product title. So what it will do is basically it will populate the heading based on the product title field of that row, and then it will basically run the API, and then it will store it in the new column which we had created, which is Orshot image. So I will click on finish editing, and then I will save it. Now what I will do is I will click on generate, and it is generating, and you see this image is generated, and now I can see eco-friendly water bottle, and this is based on this, right? This is based on this title. I will click on generate for this as well, and it is running, and if you see, the image is generated, and wireless Bluetooth headphones. So yeah, this is how you can set up Airtable integration for Orshot, and all you need to do is basically copy the script here from the template and use it in the script action for the button, and then you can basically generate images based on the row. So if you see, it has generated the image, and I can see it here, and it says ergonomic office chair based on this product title that we have set. So yeah, that's how you can use Orshot and Airtable to generate dynamic images from your Orshot table data.